Hello Stampers, Kelly Acheson at astampabove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. Thanks for tuning in to my Wait What? Wednesday tip video. Today I want to talk about ribbon and more importantly, how do you get the ribbon open without stabbing yourself? So my friend Barb showed me this nifty little trick. Sometimes getting the plastic seal off this ribbon can be really hard and you end up doing all kinds of things and you probably have stabbed yourself before and it's not cool, right? We should be able to get our ribbon open without a trip to the ER. So here's my little tip that my friend Barb shared with me. What she does and what I've started doing is I pull my ribbon up like this. That makes it pop out and also that seal that's around it pop out so that you can easily get your scissors in there and take that off. Voila! Isn't that easy? It was like an aha moment when she showed this to me. Again, I'm just pinching my ribbon, pushing it up like this, cutting it, no stabbing, no injuries, no threat of injury. Just a super easy little tip for you. I hope this will make your stamping a little less dangerous because we all know that blood and stamping does not go well together. And you're hearing this from an expert who has stabbed herself. Yes, numerous times. So there we go. Thanks a lot for taking time out of your day to spend with me in this little short video. If you'd like to place any orders, our snips, these are our paper snips, they're fabulous. If you'd like to order any product from me, please use this hostess code. You'll find a link right up here to go right to my blog, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel down here in the corner. You don't want to miss anything I have coming out. Thanks you guys and have a great hump day. Bye-bye.